Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your AirPods case. The easiest way to locate your missing AirPods case is by using the Find My app on your Apple device. This powerful tool can show you the last known location of your AirPods on a map, provided at least one AirPod is still inside the case. Once you're close, you can even play a sound through the AirPods to help you pinpoint their exact whereabouts, making the search much simpler. It's important to understand some limitations when searching for your case. If your AirPods case is completely empty, meaning both AirPods are out, the Find My app won't be able to directly locate the case itself. This is because the app relies on the AirPods to transmit their location data. An empty, closed case doesn't have the capability to send out a signal. In such situations, your best bet is to retrace your steps carefully and check all the places you've recently been. Beyond the Find My app, there are a few other strategies. Thoroughly check common hiding spots like between couch cushions, under car seats, or in the pockets of frequently used jackets and bags. For future prevention, consider attaching a small, third-party Bluetooth tracker to your case, which can offer an independent way to locate it. Establishing a consistent spot for your AirPods case when you're not using them can also significantly reduce the chances of misplacing it again. If after all your efforts, you still can't find your AirPods case, don't worry, you have options. Apple provides individual replacement AirPods cases, which can be purchased separately. You'll want to visit Apple's official website or an authorized retailer to ensure you get a genuine replacement. Make sure you know the specific model of your AirPods, as different generations require different cases. This way, you can get back to enjoying your music and calls without a hitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.